Hey guys, how you doing? This is Sean Del Grego with MEDTALKUSA. I'm a doctorate level physician assistant in family practice. This is a little introduction to MEDTALKUSA. It's a web page that we are actually launching as well as a YouTube platform. Currently it's on Facebook and on Instagram, and we even have some TikTok that we're creating and putting out there. This is all about medical education, just informing people how to get stronger in medicine, so that way you can go ahead and learn a little something. It's for medical providers and practitioners, but it's also for the layperson that's wanting to get into medicine, or they have some questions that might be able to get answered by us. It's not supposed to be talking over your head. It's going to be something that's going to help you learn, and that's what it's all about. Our mission statement is just to bring medical information, evidence-based medicine to the masses. And that's what we want to do. We want to make sure that you guys have questions that we can answer. And if we can't answer the questions, we'll find the answer for you. It's going to be by a healthcare provider, myself. I've been practicing family medicine as a physician assistant for 25 years and have a doctorate degree and with a specialization in family practice. Meaning, I'm an expert in my field, and we're here not to talk down to people, but to educate and to use evidence-based medicine to try to help give you a good understanding about what right looks like. May it be from the COVID-19 pandemic to just could be something as simple as potty training, which may not be so simple for people who have kids. So having said that, just stay tuned. We're here to help, and we want you guys to know that MEDTALKUSA is on the air, and we're going to do our best to be a member of your community. So if you like what you hear, I want you to subscribe. Hit the little button down here. No, down here. Hit that button. All right. And then ring the bell, so that way when we have other videos that we put out on the internet, on YouTube and other places, we can go ahead and get that information to you as well. And if you have any comments, leave them below. We're not trying to be super doctors or anything like that, and we're not trying to make you feel like we know more than you. We're just trying to share information. We're one community, and in this time of our society, we have to have a strong community that works well together. So once again, hey, thanks for watching MEDTALKUSA. I'm Sean Del Grego. I'm a doctorate level physician assistant in family practice. Leave your comments below, and I sure do appreciate you guys tuning in. All right, thanks, bye.